Something good is going on in this kitchen today. I am making pumpkin spice muffins, and instead of using flour that I bought from the grocery store, I'm actually grinding my own using the Wonder Mill, and I'm using soft wheat berries. It's a game changer. It's nutritionally impactful and absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and make the topping. I have my oven set on 350, getting that ready. We have 1/4 cup of the flour. We are using 1/4 cup of melted butter. Your turn.
Wow. It's like, what am I supposed to say?
And I am using a
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup of sucanat. Sucanat is simply dehydrated sugarcane, and it has a lot more nutrients than way more nutrients. White sugar doesn't have nutrients. This has nutrients, so we're doing something good for our body. Okay, and then we are using 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Okay, so we're just gonna sprinkle that on top. And then we're gonna use 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and I have already chopped them. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just mix that up. Guys, you have no idea what you're about to have when you make this recipe, because it is fabulous. It's fabulous. All right, so we're gonna start constructing the muffins, and we're gonna use 2 cups of the flour that we just ground. Flour, it just smells good. I just love the nuttiness that it has. And I'm gonna use a stick and a half of butter, which is 3/4 cup. It's soft, it's not melted. But you know what, honestly, either way, I think it would come out just fine, whatever you decide. I am using 3/4 cup of sucanat. I'm sorry. I am using 3/4 cup of the honey crystals, because the honey crystals mimic white sugar more for flavor. I'm just gonna go ahead and give that a little toss. We are using an entire can of pumpkin, and I do recommend getting organic. Okay, 2 eggs. I went ahead and mixed those up. I cannot find my words today, so mixed up is what you're gonna get. I'm doing 1/2 tablespoon of the pumpkin spice. I have my pumpkin spice recipe on my website. If you're not a big pumpkin spice fan, then you can just use cinnamon. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and I say this all the time, sea salt that actually has colors so that you know that those minerals are present. Now we're just gonna mix it until it's well incorporated. Final toss. There's some pumpkin stuck on the side of the bowl. And now it is time to get these bad boys in that pan, and we cannot wait to eat these. Soups and warming foods for fall and winter. Great for the digestive system. Because that's what I'm about. Healthy gut. Disease starts in the gut, that's just the truth. And so you heal that gut and there's no disease. So. It's time for the topping. I feel like I need a really dynamic song about right now because this stuff is so good. You could just sit down and eat a bowl of it, just all by itself. It's just absolutely delicious. My goodness, look at that. We did it. They're in the oven. Yes. 30 minutes. Start with 30 minutes. Might take up to 40, but you know, just check it out. Everybody's oven is different. Muffins just came out of the oven, and the smell in this house going on right now, oh, it's amazing. And I did the little bread pan. That's cute too. Just put them on a cooling rack so that they don't continue to bake in the pan. I find that if you leave them in the pan too long, then they can get a little drier. And we don't want that. We don't want that.
Okay. Hold on, wait, we always cheers with our food. Cheers. That's better than pumpkin pie.
It's so good.
Way better.
So try it and please comment back and let me know what you think.
It's not that pumpkin-y, like it's not.
It's very mild.
It is. I think that's why I like it so much.
Oh my goodness. So doing good things for your body. Big time thumbs up. It's bang and bang. Where's my cute little spoon? I want my cute little spoon. Tracy's like, just grab a flippin' spoon, but okay.
Oh, I was enjoying the smell of the pumpkin spice.